गाइस, आई एम मुस्कान। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्लिंगी मुस्कान। आज हम बात करेंगे इंडियन फैशन एक्सेसरी ब्रांड्स के बारे में। इससे पहले कि मैं वीडियो स्टार्ट करूं, आई वुड लाइक टू हैव अ स्मॉल टॉक विद यू गाइस। जैसे कि हम सब बहुत वेल अवेयर है कि इस टाइम हमारे इंडिया में क्या सिचुएशन चल रही है चाइना और पाकिस्तान को लेके। इस सिचुएशन को मद्देनजर रखते हुए गाइस, वी शुड ओनली यूज इंडियन ब्रांड्स, वी शुड प्रमोट इंडियन ब्रांड्स. This will help our country, and as we are Indian citizens, so this is our way to contribute to our country. तो इसके चलते एटलीस्ट हमें पता होना चाहिए सबसे पहले कि इंडियन ब्रांड्स हैं कौन कौन से. So without any further late, let's jump into the video. So first we have Lavi. Incepted in 2010, Lavi is a high street women's fashion brand renowned for its stylish bags and shoes. With handbags as its core product category, the brand also offers an extensive range of fashion accessories and caters to today's young Indian woman who values her individuality and uses fashion to express herself. Working on the fast fashion concept, the brand introduces new products every 2 weeks. Their target audience is fashion-conscious women in the age group of 18 to 30 years. Lavi stores located in high streets and malls in major Indian cities. It is available in Bagzone stores, large format stores like Shopstop, Lifestyle Central, etc. It also sells on e-commerce portals like Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, Jabong, etc. along with its own online stores. Now next we have Damilano. Damilano is a bridge to luxury leather accessory brand that provides sublimity of a luxury brand at a price that's affordable. Damilano manufactures and retail quality leather bags and accessories. From handbags, portfolio bags, travel bags to wallets and accessories, the iconic craft transpires throughout the range. Each bag comes with spacious interiors and multi-pockets to keep our essentials better organized. Damilano is the only brand which offers lifetime services warranty on all its products. Up next we have ETO. ETO is a premium handbag brand established in 2013. It offers a collection of exclusively fashionable bags for urban women ranging from formal to casual and evening wear. They also sell fashionable accessories like chains, earrings, bracelets, etc. ETO offers unique, trendy and high fashion handbags to match everyone's persona. The product range includes a wide range of tote, wallets, backpacks, sling bags and clutches. The brand targets women of all age groups who appreciate quality, who are fashionable and fashion conscious, well traveled and who have had exposure to global fashion. Now next we have High Design. High Design is a leather goods manufacturer. It is one of the few Indian luxury brands to have an international presence and recognition. High Design's product range today comprises travel bags, laptop bags, handbags, clutches, wallets, pouches, mobile phone cases, pens, stationery, leather garments, sunglasses, belts and shoes. The products of the company reflect the universal culture. The values of the brand of being natural, handcrafted, eco-friendly connects the customers. It does not advertise regularly on print or on TV. High Design has a vibrant online presence with its own website and Facebook handle. High Design has its stores all over in India. Now next we have Voila. Incepted in 2013, Voila is India's largest fashion jewelry destination with online presence and an expansive retail footprint of 150 plus stores across India. Voila has successfully introduced the concept of high quality, flawless crafted jewelry at affordable price points. The brand offers variety of designs across various categories such as necklaces, earrings, rings, bangles, etc. Voilas retail through both online and offline channels. Modern or traditional, colorful or monochrome, chic or boho, Voila speaks the language of our souls. Last but not the least, we have Baguette. Baggett is one of the leading fashion accessory brands. By being a made in India brand, Baggett acquires the distinct touch that allows them to stand out. Baggett products are made in India from eco-friendly vegan materials approved by PETA and is excellent in terms of functionality. The brand offers handy, trendy and chic accessories like bags and wallets in various colors and style at reasonable prices. Baggett bags are a blend of innovative style and trendy designs, becoming a hit among women belonging to Section A and are meant for users between the age group of 18 to 35 years. So guys, ये सारे हमारे Indian brands हैं and you have to make sure that your next purchase should be from these brands only because we have to promote our Indian brands. So guys, this is all for today. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel.